Welcome back to another Mouse Mansion video. Today I will show you how to make a little bookcase from our own furniture kit. In the Mouse Mansion furniture kit you will find a lot of different pieces of furniture to furnish your own Mouse Mansion. I used this little bookcase today. In this other video I show you how to put all the pieces together. Alright, after you put the bookcase together, you want to give it some color. I am mixing the blue and green paint together with some water. To make it look like the real Mouse Mansion furniture, I am painting over it with some really watery brown paint. That makes it look more used and old. Now we need some pieces to put in the closet. I made some little books which you can find in this video. These books I made from a piece of wood which I painted. And this little painting you can see in this video. In this video I show you how to make little potted plants from paper. Tune in next week for a new video and let me know if you have any questions.